Here is the question. Question is about a group. Let us check the options one by one. For A, 2, 0 is a member of the set given in the option A, because 2 into 0 is 0. And also we can take another member at 0, 3, because product of these two is also 0. So according to this, these 2 points can be taken. But here is component wise addition. So if we add, then we get 2, 3. But 2, 3 is not a member of this set, because 2 into 3 is 6, which is not equal to 0. So here if we assume Z1, this is Z2 and this Z3, so Z1, Z2 is not equal to Z3. So A is not a group. Now B. In B, we can take AB, which satisfies this equation. So according to this, we can take 2 points, 1, 6, because 1, 6 putting A equals to 1, B equals to 6 happens 15. Similarly, one can take 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So suppose this is Z1, suppose this is Z2. Here you see component wise addition. So if you add, then you get Z1 Z2, or you may write Z1 plus Z2 due to addition. So you get 7, 9. If you put at the place of A 7, is 7, and at the place of B this 9, then you are not getting 15. So B is also a wrong option. Now C. In C, here 7 divides AB. So A comma B can be taken as 1, 7. First point, suppose Z1. Also 7, 1. Suppose this is Z2. Because product of these two is 7, and 7 can divide 7. So now if you find Z1 plus Z2, then this happens to be 8, 8. 8, 8. But product of these two, that is AB, is 64. But 64 is not divisible by 7. So this option C is also wrong. We got 3 options wrong. So D must be true. D must be correct. So D is our correct option. One can also see giving the same statements like you saw in A, B, C. You can go for D as well. But to save time, we have already proved first 3 options wrong. So D must be correct.